All right, let's get started. The first step is to prepare the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board, a kitchen knife, and a mixing bowl. First, peel the red onion. Thinly slice the peeled red onion. Next, peel the garlic. Finely chop the peeled garlic. Remove the seeds from the red chili. Once the seeds have been removed, cut the red chili into thin rings. Thinly slice the celery. Cut the unpeeled sweet potato into round slices 1/2 inch thick. Put some water in the bowl and soak the sweet potato. Next, chop the tuna into 3/4 inch cubes. Devein the prawns. That's it for preparations. The next step is to boil the octopus and the prawns. You'll need a saucepan, a mixing bowl, a dish, and paper towels. Fill the bowl with cold water. Line the dish with paper towels to absorb excess water later. Boil some water in the saucepan. Put the octopus tentacles and prawns into the boiling water. The octopus tentacles should boil only briefly. Quickly remove the octopus tentacles from the saucepan and put them into the cold water. Once the prawns are cooked, remove them from the pan and put them into the bowl of cold water with the octopus tentacles. Once the octopus tentacles and prawns have cooled, place them onto the paper towels to absorb any excess water. Peel the boiled prawns, then remove and discard the tails. Cut the peeled prawns in half lengthwise. This can be tricky, so go slowly and be careful. Thinly slice the octopus tentacles diagonally. Next, have a mixing bowl ready to make the dressing. Put the finely chopped garlic and the red chili rings into the bowl. Add the lemon juice and stir. Next, add the tuna, prawns, and octopus to the bowl with the dressing you've just made. Now add the red onion and celery. Mix everything together and season to taste with salt. Let it stand for approximately 30 minutes to allow the flavors to blend. The next step is to boil the sweet potato. You'll need a saucepan. Fill the saucepan with water, put in the sweet potato, and boil it over moderate heat for 15 minutes. Use a mesh skimming ladle to take out the sweet potato and drain off the water. When a skewer pierces the slices easily, they're ready. Tear the romaine lettuce leaves into easy-to-eat pieces. Place the romaine lettuce on the serving dishes and pile the dressed seafood on top. Arrange with the boiled sweet potato, then garnish with Italian parsley. It's ready to eat. Well done!